Hi, this is Arham and Noor, and today we are going to open our writing pad. This is our dinosaurs. So this is a dinosaur writing pad. Look. Let's see how many dinosaurs you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's open. Noor is opening. So there are markers and the. So let's open the markers. Yay! Noor, right? The lid fell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 markers. Noor. If you want to buy, click on the link in the description. Colors. There's so many colors. 1 color red, 2 colors green, 3 colors yellow. Are you happy? 4 colors are orange. Let's draw a rainbow. The first color of the rainbow is red.